Now, I'm gonna be straight with you. I love this project, and I think they're onto something. But do I know how to pronounce it? No. Is it Qtum? Is it Quantum? Is it what? Nonetheless, today we are looking at this cryptocurrency and making the price prediction. Yes, the price prediction for this year 2021 and possibly beyond. So, if you are interested in today's happening in the crypto space, in Qtum, as we will call it, stick around, because more of that is coming. Before we dig into our cryptosphere, I think I should mention something, and that is, well, be the good guy. Click the subscribe button. Only if you want to join us. Only if you want to be a part of this community. Also, smash the like after you watch the video and after you've decided this Cryptosaurus is not so bad. He's not so big trash after all. Tip the dinosaur if subscribe and like are not enough for you. Links are in the description. Or just watch the show, grab the popcorns, grab whatever you feel like it to be comfortable. Capiche? And now, top 10 coins. Interesting developments regarding the yesterday, when it was boring. Yesterday, we welcomed Uniswap into the top 10. First DEX ever entered the space of top 10. Today, he is resting with only 2.63%. But who is not resting are the other guys, the other kids in the class. Bitcoin, 8.43%, currently standing at $54,000. Well, is this the breakout? Is this the end of that retracement? I'm not so sure. So I will not comment on that, which I don't know for certain, although nothing is certain in this space, except that Ethereum surged to the upside, also 7.45%, currently standing at $1,831. Nice move, boys. On those two guys, we have multiple videos, so if you are interested in the big two, do check them out on our channel. But the one who is moving the most in the top 10 is Binance Coin, 14.81% to the upside, standing at $266. Binance Coin surged to the third place, and for now haven't been dethroned. Who else to mention? Well, how about Litecoin? Almost at $200, $199, surging 8.93% to the upside. We have the price prediction for this boy, so absolutely do check it out if you are into Litecoin. Other guys, mainly green. We're having a green day, not the band. Just before we leave this page, how about mentioning this guy? Chiliz. He really is Chiliz, at 15% in one day. Well, if you are mentioning something, this is the one you should be mentioning. He's making the ground. And now, let's talk about Qtum, the one that we will do technical analysis on today. The one that we will make price prediction after this guy break its all-time highs. After you smash that like button. You already did. Well, congrats to you. And now, let's go to the charts. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Weekly chart of Qtum versus dollar. So exciting. And it really is where to start. What to show you next. Exciting stuff, I must say. Well, first of all, let's talk about this area. Because this is the area of current developments from March of 2020, as the rest of the coins. Qtum said, enough is enough, baby. A big bottom in the March, a new support, and one more time, a retest. So, this line, just the usual support of the price action. On the weekly chart, so a pretty significant one. As long as we are above this line, you know the speech. All good. Bullish mode on. And it really is the case. as long as we are above the support line, I got nothing bearish to say, and we can plunge all the way from these levels to much lower levels. If they are beyond this line, I will not take a bearish stance. And why did Qtum decided to take this stance to the upside? We don't know that, but we do know that if we clone this to the upside, approximately something like this, we are having parallel channel, upward trajectory established, points of support established, but also clearly shown points of resistances. And if you're gonna ask why we stopped just a few weeks ago here around that $7, well, here's your answer. This is a magnificent channel, and I personally will watch this channel. This could be the trajectory of the price action in Qtum. Or, of course, if the altcoin season gets crazy, and that could be the case pretty soon, we could break this channel to the upside. All options are open. Of course, let's be good investing heroes and never disregard something like this, because channel for now is valid and bullish, but at any time it could become ultra bullish or the bears could be back in town. For now that is not the case, so nothing to worry. Please do note the middle line of this channel and look how price bounced a few times and how when we crashed below it was a so severe crash. You know, the crash in 2020. If practically any time we go above or below this middle line, it is a severe and with momentum. Look at the resistance it made here, and look at the support it made just a few weeks ago. Kinda retested it after this breakout. So, pretty valid and bullish channel for Qtum. Do you want more? Of course you do. That's why we're gonna erase this. That's why we're gonna go into the past, and this is enough. And that's why we're gonna draw just one line of support and resistance that will show us a big story. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Just one line, around $5, 488 says on the screen. But remember, support and resistance are not clear-cut lines. I would say they are the zones. So the zone around $5 is super important. But since we are mentioning this super importance, and look at this practically bear market. All of this price action below was some kind of a bear market for Qtum, a real bear market that lasted a very long time. From 2018, just a few weeks ago. So that's 2021 already. This candle, oh, this candle is a big hero. I'm saluting you, candle, because you broke this huge resistance. And as you can see, it was a pretty. These guys didn't make it. These guys, nope. But this guy, ooh, he's a hero. He broke it. Not only that, what happened here, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, we just gotta discuss the situation, because it's very important. After the breakout, look at this. We came back, retested it, and this could be Qtum set up after the retest to the upside, to those all-time highs. Pretty interesting stuff. And I'll show you, since we're showing everything important now, one more pattern that could be proving my theory right. For that, I will need the peak and show you something very important. How about the big bullish reversal that was happening over the course of years? Inverse head and shoulders, ladies and gentlemen. You're seeing it right. Left shoulder in 2018, head in 2020, and also in 2020 at the end, right shoulder. A big reversal pattern. And I think that this pattern will lead us to those all-time highs. After that, well, after that we are making the price prediction. After that we are talking about levels of support and resistances. But one more thing before you leave. Let's go back to the past, or reverse, back to the future. Because in today's day, or in the future, however you want to say it, moving averages are telling us also bullish story. Look at this. As long as we are above this 21 weekly EMA that I just drawn on the screen, we're good. We are bullish. But not only that we are above 21 EMA, Even the bigger ones are telling us a bullish story. 34 EMA, the same thing. About 55 EMA, the same thing. Also, the bigger one that I will show you right now, 89 EMA. Look at this guy. We are also above it. So there is no moving average on the big time frame right now that is showing us something bearish. Only bullish stuff are developing in Qtum. So I think that this coin has a large, pretty big bullish potential. If you ask me, you're not asking me, but I'm telling you, and I'm not financial advisor since we're at it. Now, can we erase all this? Can we remove those moving averages? And can we please already do that price prediction? Oh yes we can, but now we are really going to be fast. And you know what's happening right now, right? If you watched our previous any video on price prediction, you know that we're gonna use this high of 2018. You know that we're gonna use this low of 2020. Bull and the bear. What we're gonna do is called Professor Fibonacci. The guy is gonna connect those dots like this, and just by this simple technique we will have our Fibonacci extensions in the future after the levels of around $106 that Qtum was at all-time highs will be breached. To do that, let's scroll down. I think that's enough. And let's see, what did we get? 4 levels for now and for us. I would say those levels are enough for this price prediction. Do you need more of? No you don't, because I'm telling you right now, after we breach all-time highs, we are going to $172. This is our 161.8% extension. After that, we travel to $278, 261.8% retracement. After that, $384 are 361.8% retracement. And now, the big level, drum rolls please, our extension 423.6%. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting you Qtum at $450. You're reading it right. You're hearing it right. I am telling you that at the time that we are standing at around $6, we could be heading to $450 the same year we're discussing this $6. So just think about perspective. The last time you panicked about to fall from 6 to 4 or something like that. Is it really important that you bought for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? I don't know. 450, ladies and gentlemen. If the cards play out as I'm seeing, 450 will be reached and you will be ultra happy. You never know, maybe ultra rich. If you share my thoughts, if you share this what I'm speaking, well, show me with a thumbs up. I don't know any other way that could be better for this channel. Share it with someone that holds Qtum. Maybe they need this encouragement in the black days. And maybe you wanna also watch one of these videos that I'm presenting to you right now. In there are little tiny bit moments of wisdom. Not my wisdom, but you know what I wanna say. Enjoy it and see you at the moon.